Oh, there's a Lincoln Total Parts Pro Toyota 2016 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6961. Swam from the 6th 2015 to the 8th 2020. There's a CZCA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CZCA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet no dents, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right hand door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lip, warming the gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory seamless exterior, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,